With OVVIO, we have 3 different profiles. And because gears measures the dynamic movement of the wrists and the club, we've been able to figure out what we're calling the scissoring moment, where the grip speed starts to slow down and the club head speed starts to speed up. And there's tour players that do all 3 of these profiles. So it's not so much how fast you swing the club, it's honestly more where that scissoring moment occurs that would determine what kind of profile that you need. And so we'd want to get you on gears to figure out just where your scissor moment is. What's unique about the OVVIO green shaft is when we have that earlier scissor moment, what happens is the shaft will tend to deflect and droop a lot more. So we've built this profile to have a much stiffer tip section and midsection and butt section. And what that will do is it actually prevents the club from presenting too much loft. And it also keeps the grip, as you twist the grip, it keeps the head staying with the grip more. So it's a tendency to have more of a straight to straight draw bias. Our OVVIO blue shaft is going to be for players that have more of a middle scissor point. And this shaft's still going to be relatively stable, but it's not going to be quite as stiff in the butt section. It's going to feel great, and it's going to have a very stable, neutral bias to it. You're going to have the ability to kind of work it both ways. It's going to feel good, be super consistent. So our OVVIO red shaft is really for a player with a later scissor moment, meaning that the grip speed occurs closer to the ball, and the club head speed might not be as high at that point. It's mostly going to be for more rotary players or players with a lot of turn. It's going to be our softest and lightest profile. It's going to have some shaft kick to it, and it's going to be kind of more of a straight to fade bias shaft. So those players that kind of like to hit fades, I think will really like this shaft a lot.